Restoring the 1901 Hannah Weston Charter. The journey begins. Our charter is displayed at the Burnham Tavern. Many visitors come to hear the history of the tavern and its role in the Revolutionary War. The charter gives us the opportunity to share our early years as a chapter. The DAR was founded in 1890. Its mission? To promote historic preservation, education, and patriotism. The Hannah Weston chapter was organized on February 12, 1901. The chapter was named for the Revolutionary War heroine, Hannah Weston. Charter members included Lucy Talbot Ames, Regent, Elizabeth Longfellow Chandler, Vice Regent, Grace Donworth, Secretary, Mary O'Brien Brown, Registrar. The number of original members totaled 15. The charter restoration was done by Nina Rayer of Rayer Fine Arts Conservation. Nina Rayer breaks down the deterioration of the charter on December 14, 2021. Damage to the charter included the charter parchment being severely cockled due to changes in relative humidity. A portion of the lower left corner recto had become stuck to the glass. The blue dyes of the ribbon and some of the pen and inks have faded due to strong light exposure. At least one of the ribbons and part of the foil paper seal are detached from the parchment. It might be possible to fully detach the seal from the parchment and reverse the ribbons while reattaching at the end of treatment to allow the original blue to be shown. The edges of the charter show discoloration and some surface soil. A look at the process. The charter went into a humidification chamber. Attachment of border extension of Japanese paper to the edges. Use of archival adhesive. Removing the faded ribbon and using the reverse side. Using a 4 milliliter mylar layer between the dust sheet and the frame. The project begins winter of 2021. Correspondence with Nina Rayer of Rayer Fine Arts Conservation in Portland, Maine, and with Woodwind Custom Framers and Gallery in Machias, Maine took place. This photograph is of the Hannah Weston Charter after being removed from the frame. It was taken by Nina Rayer. This photograph is of the back of the charter. Final recommendations from Nina Rayer: store the document in a winterized, climate-controlled structure. Do not hang the charter in bright sunlight or on a wall with outside doors or windows. Holly Garner Jackson of Woodwind Framers prepared the Hannah Weston Charter for shipping to Rayers and later did the reframing. Housing the Hannah Weston Chapter Charter. The photograph on the left is of Hannah Weston Regent Kathy Johnson with the final restoration of Hannah Weston's charter. On the right-hand side is a photograph of the storage facilities at the University of Maine, Machias. This is where the Hannah Weston chapter charter will be stored during the winter months. We can all be proud of preserving and protecting this important document. This presentation was given by Kathy Johnson, Hannah Weston Chapter Regent, at the February 11, 2023 meeting at the Bluebird Ranch in Machias.